Hey guys, Happy New Year. Just wanted to get on here and get the year started off on the right foot. So, a couple things I just want to talk about when you're thinking about, obviously 2025 and starting a business versus maybe side hustles. So, I see a lot of people out there, even like in our Facebook group and things like that. Um, there is a difference between doing a side hustle and actually building a business, like a fundamental business that you can scale and build out in order to create income, you know, for as long as you want to create income. And I see a lot of times people get confused because they just keep going side hustle to side hustle to side hustle. But really, I think the best thing to do in 2025 is to actually build out a real business built on business principles so that you have the ability to make money, um, for the years to come. Now, there's nothing wrong with side hustles. I'm fine with people who want to do side hustles because a lot of times people just want to make an extra 200, 300, 500 bucks a month. And that's great. But if you want to actually be able to build a foundation to where you can scale it to make thousands of dollars a month, tens of thousands of dollars a month, then I think building and focusing on an online business is what people need to do. And I think where that starts is honestly, I have my screen on System IO right now because I actually think like if you don't have a ton of money to spend to invest in a business or something like that, I really think System IO. Let's go look at let's go up here, System IO. Look at the pricing of this. So they have added so many features to where you can legitimately get a free account and get started. Start actually implementing business principles, and then as you expand and grow, at that point you'd be able to get the $27 a month or the 47 or the 96. You can kind of build your way into those things. Sorry, I had to pause that real quick. My dog was squeaking a toy in the background, so I don't know if you could actually hear that in the video. But it was kind of a funny sound and I didn't want that in the video. But anyway, I was saying you could actually get started for free with System IO, and then what you'd be able to do is as you grow, build up into these other plans. So you can legit get a free account and have up to 2,000 subscribers before you'd ever even have to pay for an account. Now you'd have obviously all access to all the features, but it would be very basic. Some of the things they just added, let me see if it's in here. I just noticed they added a calendar feature. So like if we come over here to the actual System IO, like they added a calendar feature. You can build a blog on this. You can build your sales funnels. I'm building all my sales funnels right now on System IO. And then they have a new feature called digital stores, which is comparable to something like a Stan store. So if you were like an influencer or TikTok, something like that, you don't have to use Stan store anymore. You can get started for free and use the digital store, which functions the same as a Stan store. And you can do that until you have about 2,000 contacts, and then you would have to upgrade. The biggest thing with building a side hustle versus a business is side hustles can go up and down. I mean, and here's the pattern. I guarantee you hear about something, you see somebody post something on Facebook and you think, oh, cool, a new side hustle or a new business opportunity. You go, you check it out. But what you end up doing is you're basically being talked into getting into some sort of system that you should be able to follow, and you can just click here, click there, and you can make money, and then you just tell all your friends about it so that you can start making money and you show them how to do it. And it's just this vicious cycle of where people jump from side hustle to side hustle to side hustle versus actually focusing on one product, service, affiliate program, one type of what's like one type of opt-in to where you are getting leads to a business and you are building an email list, and then you have that email list to start sending offers to start sending affiliate program to start you have to build that list so that you have that asset that you can control and email at any point that you want to. And a lot of times people get into these side hustles where they aren't building an email list per se. They're just getting on Facebook and saying, hey, here's the next thing I found. Anybody on your friends, inbox me or leave a comment, and that can work for so long, but then people get blind to that. So like I see it all the time and I scroll past it because one, I'm not really looking for a biz op type business because I actually build a business online. So when I started, I built a site. I'll just show it right here. I built a site called Buy Social Traffic. And what I did was I came in here and when I did advertising, so the way I did it is I built a funnel. At the time, I was using ClickFunnels. I am now using System.io. You can get a free account with the link in the description below. And I will give you some funnels and things like that if you want to join. I also have a free teaching and training that I do over here on Market Pacer Accelerator. If you'd like to join this group, I'll put the link in the description as well. And you can join that group and I'll let you in there. What we actually are doing with this Buy Social Traffic is what I did was I built a funnel that gave away a free ebook. The ebook that I was giving away was how to generate revenue on how to generate revenue with YouTube. And people would opt in to get that ebook. Once they opted in, I would redirect them to services that sold YouTube marketing, YouTube promotion, help with their channel, thumbnails, covers, things like that, to where I was actually helping these people build out their YouTube channel. And I sold services. And I, at the time, was running Google Ads. I would basically bid on keyword search terms. And when people would type in how to grow a YouTube channel, boom, my ad would show up. They would click the ad. They would come to my funnel. They would either opt in or they would click a button that says, check out our services. And I would send them to services that they could purchase to help them grow their channel. And what would happen is I was at the time collecting emails. So I was getting contacts added to my funnel. So whether the person just took the free download and left, or if they took the free download, but then also checked out our services and purchased something, I would collect those emails. One would go into a lead list and the other would go into a buyer's list. And over about a 2 to 3 year period of time, I built up over 30,000 people who had either opted in for free something or they became a customer. And so I had these huge lists of people who were interested in YouTube. And then I did the same thing with an Instagram offer. And some of these offers, I can actually show you one of the offers. So it'll be on this site over here. This was one of the funnels. We're in the process of transferring this stuff over. Actually, no, it is on Market Pacer. I was actually running ads to an opt-in. I know the opt-in is over here under video marketing. I was running to a page like this where people could opt into how to generate revenue using YouTube. People could click this button and boom, they could enter their name, they could enter their email, and I would get that lead. Once they did this, it would go to a page that said, thank you, here's your download, click the link. I would also send them an email that said, thank you, click the link to access your free download, but then I would also be sending them to a link where they could purchase products that would help them monetize their YouTube channel. And this was with, one simple funnel. I was able to use one ad platform, Google Ads, send all the traffic to this page right here. People opted in for this free ebook, or they directly bought things. There is a backlink service on here that people could initially buy right away, which every time someone came through here and bought something, I got that email. Every time someone came through here and put their name and email here, I got the email. I could then follow up. I own that person to be able to send them information on other offers. We sold things like we affiliated to TubeBuddy, vidIQ. There's a couple other YouTube platform type products that we would affiliate to. So I would send out emails that would simply say, hey, are you looking to optimize your YouTube channel? Do you need help? Here's some software that could help you. So those are the types of things that we would do. And that is how I built this list out and what I continue to do today. Now we have Instagram lists, we have TikTok lists, we have all sorts of leads and customers that we can promote new and exciting things to. So a lot of this year, I'm going to be focusing on a lot of AI tools that will help people build their social media. So that will be what the information is that we're going to be sending out for the people here. Like I said, if you want to start some sort of business, System.io literally can build your entire business. And I am actually rebuilding Buy Social Traffic on System.io, which will be on video, and it will be a step-by-step training and like show people how to do all of that. So you don't necessarily have to know how to do it, because I would love to help people. If you want to come over and join the Market Pacer Accelerator group, like I said, it's totally free. I do free trainings every Wednesday for people. And so I plan on doing that all year long. So, but with that, like if you guys want to get more help or answers to your questions and things like that, and you actually are interested in building out a business versus doing just a side hustle, I think that's actually where I can help people the most, because I have gone through the process of building out, a business that has made, this has made millions of dollars, this website. So it's not like I've just started it one day and now I'm just going to talk about it. No, like I've spent nearly $1 million in Google Ads. So, and I'll probably show some of those campaigns. I can't show them on camera, on YouTube, but I'm going to be starting a brand new account and doing that again for those who want to run something like Google Ads. But what I would do and what I would focus on is, for sure this year, I would, if you want to build a business, figure out what business do you want to build? What do you want to give away for free? So when I say like give something away for free, you're going to want to build some sort of funnel to give away some sort of ebook or some sort of free course or some sort of video masterclass access, something like that, to where you get people to opt in to your email list in exchange for whatever value it is you're offering. That way you start building your email list and have people to email offers to. But you want to focus on what niche are you doing. Like, you don't have to go into the make money niche. I'm not in the make money niche. I am in the social media niche. So you could literally enter the social media niche and take a whole different angle than I took and be completely different business. You could focus on AI. You could focus on AI influencers, which is one of the things we're going to be focusing on this year. We're already building out a couple of AI influencers that are actually going to be doing the marketing for us. So it's pretty cool with all the technology and how easy things are to get up and going. And if you do want guidance and things like that, like I said, make a comment below if you have any questions. But what I would recommend is, I'll leave the link to this. You can join the accelerator group. I would get a System.io account. I would just get a free account. And then as you focus in on what you want to build, join the group. And then on Wednesdays when I do the free trainings, you can ask me questions and I can kind of help guide you through building that out. So I hope this is going to be the best year ever. And of course, if there's anything I can do to help people out, please let me know. But figure out if your goal this year is to just keep going side hustle to side hustle, or actually build out a fundamental business that you control, you can scale, and you can build. And if that's you, then I hope I will personally get to talk to you and you'll join the group and we'll get to know one another. All right, have a great one. We'll talk to you guys on the next video.